To send personalized mass emails in Mailchimp, segment your audience. Divide your subscriber list into segments based on criteria like location, interest, purchase history, or engagement level. Create a campaign. In your Mailchimp dashboard, navigate to the Campaigns tab and click on Create Campaign. Choose the type of campaign you want to send. Design your email. Use Mailchimp's drag-and-drop editor to design your email. Include personalized elements such as the recipient's name, relevant product recommendations, or dynamic content blocks based on segmentation criteria. Add personalization tags. Insert merge tags into your email content to dynamically pull in each recipient's information. Preview and test. Preview your email to ensure personalization tags render correctly. Send test emails to yourself and team members to review the content and functionality. Schedule or send. Choose whether to schedule your campaign for a specific date and time or send it immediately. Monitor the campaign's performance using Mailchimp's reporting tools. Track results. Analyze metrics like open rates, click-through rates, and conversion rates to evaluate the effectiveness of your personalized mass email campaign.